Hey everyone, I'm back for a short video. I just wanted to show you what I bought for my Cu-poche doll for Halloween. There are actually two types of this costume. The first one comes in white, but I prefer the devil Parka set because I like the color. Let's go ahead and check this out. So it comes with a manual in Japanese, but it shows you how to put the clothes onto your Cu-poche doll. Look at that adorable tiny horns and wings. And there's also a zipper which is working. The quality is really great for as small as this one. I love the tiny detail of the ribbon at the back. There's a magnet underneath for the Cu-poche doll base. Inside the shoes, there's a label L and R. It also comes with a skeleton themed hair accessory, which is so adorable. Remove the hands, feet, and head when putting the clothes on. Just put it back afterwards. What I like about Cu-poche friends of Kotobukiya is that you can dress them up. Kotobukiya has already released a number of figures from the Friends series in casual and costume dresses. I currently have Anne and Alice in Wonderland. They also made some clothes for your Cu-poche. I think it's available at AmiAmi, or you can also check at otakumode.com. I also like that I can use a Cu-poche Friends buddy to my other Cu-poche figures. I actually have like 20 of them, so maybe next time I'm gonna show you all my collection. Anne is now ready to go trick-or-treating. She'll see you guys a bit. Make sure to finish the video and see more photos of her. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Halloween!